I gotta admit something to y'all, and man, oh man, if it wasn't obvious before, yes, I think I became a nerd. I got a Metro DataVac. I was so tired of buying canned airs, and those things would compress and actually jet out on parts when you're dusting them off. So I got a little wild hair after I saw the price of canned air, and now in some places, because you can use yeah, I think we went from using washing tablets to sucking on canned air, so people do that. So the price has gone up and it's just got kind of crazy, and I figured, let me just get done with doing that. So I do. I had a shop vac kit that would do the suction, and the problem with that is it was similar to this type of kit. You can buy it for a shop vac at the Lowe's or the Home Depot if they have it in stock. But it was like a kit like this, and you could put it on a shop vac. Well, you could only suck out, because if you try and blow, this all just blows off. It sucks. Or blows. I don't know. But going over what I needed here with all these attachments and everything, I was like, yeah, I think it's time for me to upgrade from canned air and become a professional nerd. Oh, everything's in there. Yeah, the box is not have any of the logos on it. I bought it, but what's funny is this still, I mean, it's environmentally friendly to a degree, because right here it says it's an alternative cleaner. Sorry, guys. It's a powerful dust blower, environmentally friendly alternative to compressed or canned air, which is great. That's great. That's what we want. But then there's this logo, warning for California, carbon black and or that, which are known in the state of California to cause cancer or birth defects and reproduction harm. Goodness, even something that's trying to be environmentally friendly is still bad. I mean, I'm sure the same warnings are on the canned air, if not more. But I decided it was time for the good old Metro Vac DataVac. So yeah, this is a whole thing. Compresses the air in there and lets you blow it out. Nice handle on it, and yeah, it's pretty nice. It's pretty nice. I already can tell. I've used these before in data centers and stuff like that. So we're made in the USA as well. So we're definitely going to enjoy using this. But yeah, nice cord on it. It's like an old vacuum cord. Wow, I like that. That's shows some durability. That's a 500 watt unit here as far as blowing. So we're gonna hook this up, because yeah, I actually have left one of my server computers just completely full of dust. It's been abandoned for about 2 years, so it's definitely collected up a lot of dust and probably some hair from Cairo. But yeah, let's go ahead and get a computer and try this out and blow out some stuff. Got the nice foam and nice legs on it. But yeah, I think I'm done with canned air. I hope it works as it should. Pretty cool. All right, we'll be back with a dusty ass computer. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we're on a little field trip outside with the abused computer. You can see the dust is just all over this thing. It's a nice Lenovo. I like it very much. Just forgot about it. It's one of these server computers. Of course, all the backside here is also covered and coated. Goodness gracious. There we go, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, we got a Kingston driving here. It's all dusty, but yeah, oh yeah. This thing is pulling in but it at least has a solid state drive in it. But yeah, wow. Well, let's go ahead and just dust off some stuff real quick. My goodness, my goodness. So we're going to go ahead and do the DataVac. And back from the field trip outside. Always nice to get outside. But yeah, this MetroVac DataVac, the ED-500, it sure blew all the dust out of this. I do apologize, some of the camera angles weren't the best, but believe me, we're not done with this unit. Dust always collects, and a lot of active units and fans and just radios in general. So yeah, this will definitely come in extremely handy, and I don't have to show ID to get cans of aerosol blowout dust from the office retailers, because yeah, like I said, I guess it's a drug of choice. People are huffing up a computer duster. Well, I figure I'd do my part and not have to deal with that and cans and everything else. But yeah, all these attachments, I think this thing is a win-win. So I do appreciate you stopping by. Eric Tech Stuffs, we'll go ahead and say 73s. Appreciate y'all. See you in the next one. Boom bow.